Multi-factor authentication, also called MFA, is an important measure that adds an additional layer of security to prevent unauthorized account access. It works by requiring users to enter a numerical code sent to them via text message in addition to their username and password whenever they log into ACT. You should use multi-factor authentication if you want to add an extra layer of security for users who log into your ACT account. And some businesses also require MFA in order to comply with data protection and privacy regulations. So in this video, I want to show you how to set up MFA for the users on your ACT account. Now, only the ACT account administrator can configure MFA, and it's done through the Manage Users console. So I'm already logged in as an account administrator. From here, I'm going to click Tools in the left navigation, and then once that loads, I'll click the Manage Users button. When the Manage Users screen appears, I'm going to click Additional Settings in the left. This will open up a new browser tab, and from here I'm going to choose the database that I want to enable MFA for, and then down below, I'll click Manage Multi-Factor Authentication. This screen shows all of your users and their statuses for MFA. Now you need to set up MFA on a user-by-user basis, and by default, the status will be set to off for each of your users. So I'm going to enable MFA for one of my users, Gwen Davis. To do this, I'm going to check the box labeled Requested, and then down below, I'll click the Update Multi-Factor Authentication button. ACT displays a verification screen specific to Gwen Davis. Now I'm going to log into ACT as Gwen just to see what happens. ACT lets the user know that the administrator has enabled multi-factor authentication for their account. From here, the user would have to provide a phone number that can receive a text message and then click the Next button. ACT will send a text message containing a code to that phone number. All the user has to do now is type the code from their phone into this field and then click Submit. And if they enter the code successfully, the user will be logged into the ACT account using multi-factor authentication. Now let me show you something that users can do the next time that they log into the account. I'm going to log off of Gwen's account and log back in. From this point on, whenever this user logs in, ACT will remember their phone number and it will automatically text that code to their phone. But at this point, they can also choose to check Remember Device. This will let ACT remember their device whenever they log in the future. Now that they've logged in, ACT should remember this device, so let's log off one more time and log in again as Gwen. Because we checked the box that says remember this device, this user will be able to bypass the MFA step since ACT now remembers this device and it has already been verified. Now I want to show you one more thing, but I need to be logged in as an administrator, so I'm going to log off and go back to my administrator account. As an administrator, I'll go to the Tools screen again and click Manage Users. And from here, I'm going to click Additional Settings. And once again, I'll click Multi-Factor Authentication for my database. Now when I access the MFA screen, I can see that Gwen has been listed as active because she has gone through all the steps to verify herself through MFA. This screen will always be updated to show the current MFA status for each of my users, so I'll always know who is verified and who is not.